5 AI businesses that can make you $1M plus with 0 employees. I've built multiple 8-figure AI companies. If I had to start over today with 0 team, these are the exact 5 AI businesses I would launch in 2026. Zero fluff. Real numbers. Real tools. Real revenue. Let's jump in, starting with number 5. Number 5 AI Appointment Setter Agency. You replace human receptionists with an AI that answers calls 24/7 and books sales appointments. Imagine a phone ringing. The AI picks up, has a natural conversation, handles objections, and books the meeting perfectly. Businesses happily pay $4,000 to $10,000 setup plus $1,000 to $3,000 per month. Startup cost, almost $0. Effort level, medium. Daily income possible, $500, $1,500. Number 4 AI Content Repurposing Agency. Take one long podcast or YouTube video and turn it into 100 viral shorts for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. One freelancer I know hit $30,000 a month with only 7 clients doing exactly this. Cost, low daily income, $750, $1,500. Number 3 AI Sales Chatbot Agency. Turn every DM, email, and text message into booked calls and sales, automatically. One company, Revio, went from $0 to $60,000 monthly recurring revenue in under 7 months. Cost, medium daily income, $1,000, $3,000. Number 2 AI Data Cleanup Agency. You clean messy spreadsheets, CRMs, and emails. Then add an AI layer on top. The owner can now ask what's my most profitable customer? And get an instant accurate answer. Precision.co hit $700,000 in revenue in just 7 months with this model. Cost, medium daily income, $1,500, $5,000 plus. Number 1 AI Executive Assistant, Inbox plus Calendar. Build a custom AI that reads, writes, and manages the CEO's entire inbox and calendar. It replies exactly like they would, books meetings, and gives them hours back every single day. Fyxer scaled from $1 million to over $10 million annual revenue in only 5 months doing this. Cost, low daily income, $3,000, $10,000 plus. This is the biggest productivity unlock of the decade. So how do you start any of these without coding for months? Follow my 4-step AI startup ladder. Step 1, validate. Pick one niche, med spas, roofers, solar companies, agencies, and DM 50 of them. Ask, would you pay to solve this exact problem? Step 2, pre-sell. Create a 1-page Google Doc plus Stripe link. Charge $3K, $10K upfront before building anything. Step 3, deliver fast. Over-deliver for your first 1 to 3 clients, even manually at first. Hit rate testimonials. Step 4, productize and scale. Turn it into a repeatable system, automate delivery, and 10x your prices. This exact ladder works for all 5 businesses. Want the fastest cash right now? Start with number 5, the AI Appointment Setter. You can land your first $5K, $10K client this week. Here's exactly what to do today. Open Instagram right now. Search local med spas, roofers, or solar companies. Copy and paste this DM to 20 of them. Hey, I help businesses book 3 to 7 extra appointments every week using AI, no extra staff needed. Open to a quick 2-minute call to see if it's a fit? 3 to 6 will reply within 24 to 48 hours. Send them a short 60-second voice note explaining how it works plus pricing. Charge $4K, $8K setup plus $1K, $2K/month. That's $5K, $10K in your bank this month, starting today. All tools mentioned are linked in the description: Atlas, Revio, Fyxer, Precision. 2026 to 2030 will create more AI millionaires than the internet will. The winners start today, not next month. Pick one of these 5. Follow the 4-step ladder. Go get your first paying client this week. You've got this. Comment below, which of the 5 are you starting first? I read every single comment. Smash the like button if you're building an AI business in 2026. Subscribe and turn on notifications, new AI money ideas every week. Let's build something legendary together. See you in the next one. Follow for weekly AI money ideas. Your first $10,000 this month is waiting. 2026 is your year. See you at the top.